Hi, if you want to use Magic Capsule on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, then you should find and open your settings, and from here go in Notifications and Status Bar. And after that you should see Magic Capsule. So here you can enable and disable Magic Capsule for recordings, media playback, clock, and beauty. Basically, this is working like dynamic islands on iPhones. So this part is clickable and you'll be able to control something with the help of this magic capsule. Let's enable all of them by tapping on the switchers and test something. For example, let's test clock. For that, I'm gonna open it. And now let's set just timer for about 5 minutes. And after that, we need to leave the app. And now you should see this animation in the dynamic island, which is Magic Capsule. You can also tap it. And here you can stop this timer or you can close it. So this part is totally clickable now. You can even open up with the help of tapping right here. So that's it, how it works. And if something doesn't work in your case, then make sure your phone is updated to the latest version. For that, scroll down, go in System Updates, choose Software Update, and make sure that here you can see information your software is up to date. If not, then update your device because usually it includes fixing old issues and adding new features. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.